Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And I do all LeetCode problems. This is called restore AP address. Addresses given a string containing only digits, restore it by returning all possible valid IP address combinations. A valid IP address consists of exactly 4 integers. Each integer is between 0 and 255, separated by single points. We'll be looping through this string and we'll be checking every part. As you know, IP address made up of these parts, and we check the first part, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and we every time we'll be trying to extend the length of every part, and you know let's start. First off, we create result, new array, list, string. We create an as the lane. We start looping through. I is less than as the lane. Just and also I is less than 4. We increment our I. We create string first part, and we say s dot substring I 0 and I, and we start from 0 here till 1 exclusive. That means that we have 2 here, 0 base 2. We check. We need to create a helper method which is called is valid part. We will be checking every part of that IP address. If it's not valid, then we continue. We create private boolean is valid part string s. We need to make sure if s the length is greater than exceeds the length of the part. We automatically return false. Every part has the length up to 3. The maximum length will be 3, every part of this string, of this part. So, and we check if s starts with 0, starts with the 0, and as the length is greater than 0, then 1. In the case of we return false. In the case of suppose we can have only 1 here, or just we just suppose we can have only one zero in the part. We cannot have 2 zeros or just 3 zeros, so we just check. We also create int value, integer, parse integer string. We need to make sure that we are within bounds. We say return value is greater than or equals to 0, and value is less than or equals to 255. Next, we are looking through the second part. J equals to 1, and I say I plus j is less than n to make sure that we are within bounds, that we won't exceed the length of the string. And also j is less than 4 and j plus plus. And we create string the same process, second as dot substring. We start from 0 till I plus j, exclusive of course, and we check if this part is not valid. We continue. Looping, and we check like here we start from 0, here we start from the previous from I until I plus j, and then we check the third part and the fourth part. I plus j plus k to make sure that we are within bounds, and k is less than 4 because every part has only up to three values, three digits, and k plus plus. We set up new variables, string third, sub string I plus j and I plus j plus k, and string for s sub string from I plus j plus k till the end of that string. We check if is not valid. Third, just is not valid. Part fourth, then we here and here. Yeah, then we continue. We continue looping, you know, and we add the new result. Otherwise, if it's good, if it's fine, we add the new IP address. We say first part plus dot plus the second one plus plus dot plus third one plus dot and plus fourth. Yeah, and we return result finally. Hope you understand. We create result, set up the new variable, and we are looping through every part, I mean, to find the valid parts, and this in this string here start from 0 till I exclusive. We check if it's valid, if the length of that part exceeds 3, then we return false, or just in the case of 0 we return false. If length of that part exceeds 1, then we kind of to make sure that we are within bounds every part. Here are similar, and here are similar, and here similar, that's it. Let's submit. Good, that's the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think, and see you next time. Have a nice day.